Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling what you need and taking immediate action. Record a few short reference clips of the narrator's cadence and tone. This teaches the system the target rhythm. Then set up your TTS or voice changer software and route your microphone into your DAW. Once done, capture 10-30 sample lines in a neutral voice for training or voice matching. This gives you raw material. Make sure clips are clean, evenly spaced, and labeled for the next step. Next, focus on the middle work, shaping prosody and timbre to match the narrator. Use pitch and formant controls to brighten without sounding chipmunked, and tweak EQ to emphasize the 2.6 Hz range where narrator presence lives. Once done, program timing, slightly faster syllable delivery and deliberate short pauses between phrases. Export interim tests and compare to your reference. Make iterative adjustments to breathe placement, emphasis, and consonant crispness until the match feels natural. Finally, polish and deliver the voice. Run a final pass of noise reduction, gentle compression, and a touch of reverb to place the voice in the same acoustic space as the reference. Export a 44, 1K Hz WAV and listen on headphones and phone to confirm consistency. If you hear harsh sibilants or timing slips, reduce high-end EQ, tighten attacks, or retime phonemes in your editor. If problems persist, retrain with cleaner samples and smaller editing increments to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.